Iceland's land of fire and ice is at it again. A new volcanic eruption has begun near the Sundhnúksgígur crater Rho, prompting evacuations from Grindavik and the Blue Lagoon. According to USA Today, this is the 9th eruption in the area since 2021. Fissures have opened, one stretching over 2.4 kilometers. Residents are warned about witch's hair, glass fibers that can cause irritation. But here's a surprise. Iceland is also a land of glaciers. In fact, Vatnajökull Glacier covers more than 8% of the country. Comment your opinion. Follow us for more updates. Could you hit the like button?